Hi, welcome back to my shop. Well, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a transition piece from a hardwood floor to a vinyl floor. Okay, so this piece right here is going to represent the hardwood floor that's already installed. Now I want to show you how I'm going to do this. This is the piece that has to be milled. There's a second piece too, but it's the same size, same width. And so this piece has to, of course, go into this tongue has to go in that groove, of course. What I have to do is, first I'm going to have to rip it down to 1 3/4, which I have it marked on the bottom side. Oops, right down there. But after I get this marked, which is approximately here, once I rip that down to 1 3/4, what I have to do is I have to make a notch in here that's 3/8 of an inch tall, because that's the height of the vinyl floor, 3/8 of an inch up and down. And then after that, I'm going to take a round over and just round this over to make a nice edge. So that's what the finished profile looks like. Come together like this once again installed. Okay, this is the threshold that I'm making this transition strip. And as you can see, we got this vinyl floor in here, and there's a gap, and then we got hardwood flooring. So I made these transition strips to fit right in here like this. So there you have it. That's how this transitional strip looks like installed. The very nice thing about making your own transitional strip instead of buying one is that, let's face it, you have some scraps left over from a project like laying a floor anyhow. So why not use those scraps, make some transitional strips out of them, and let's face it, those strips, they match the floor perfectly. So it blends in really nice. And it looks great, and you save a little bit of money, and you just take a little bit more ownership and a little more pride in the job that you did too. So until next time, have a great day everybody. Bye.